Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to update your Visual Studio 2019 to the latest version. So let's get started. So I'll be showing you two ways how you can do this. So just go to help and you'll be having the optional called as check for updates. Just click it, Visual Studio Community 2019, and here you can see it will be showing the last updated. I have updated this thing like 2 years ago. So here it will show the size and the current version as well. So just click on update and it will close. So just click on update and just be patient. It will automatically getting updated. So I will click it. Just click on yes. So here it will be showing you starting download operation and starting install operation. So this is basically how it works. This is the first method, and the second method is also quite similar to this. I will show you after this download is getting completed. So after the update is over, you'll be getting the installation is completed, and you can just now go and open your file that you want to do. And the second method is going to be simple. You need to just go to search and you need to type Visual Studio Installer. So you'll be having the Visual Studio Installer over here. Just click on open, and basically you'll be getting the pretty much the same dialog box. Yeah, but this is also like an alternate way. If this particular help and check for updates doesn't work, you can try this. Yeah, so here you can see you'll be getting this, and here I'm getting this option called as up to date. But in case if you are having any update, you'll be having the update icon over here. So you can try this out if your help check for updates isn't working. So these are some of the two ways you can try, and I hope you would have found this video useful. I've also done many other tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB. So do check other videos of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.